So over the weekend we went and played mini golf, and we had a personal scorekeeper.
Liverpool 2-0.
Oh, what a save,
Ortega. Brilliance by Pep.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
I mean, what else?
Brilliant. What's up, chat? Welcome back to the Casuals.
Oh, we're rolling.
What the fuck? That was random.
We're
All of us have
rolling.
turned
We
Let's
are
go.
currently watching the Liverpool City game. It's almost halftime and Liverpool is up 1-0. Goal from Cody Gakpo, and City have not won a single game in 6. Looking like they're going to lose another one. Pep is going to have a whole bunch of scratches on his fucking bald head.
Is he?
Please don't make fun.
Yeah.
I'm not making fun.
It's
I'm just stating
self-harm.
facts. I'm
This is a very
stating facts.
serious, important topic that people need to be talking about now. And
Trigger warning.
I am talking about
shedding a
it.
bad light on it.
I am talking about it.
He's going to look like Two-Face from Batman.
So next interview, he comes with a coin, just flipping it. What a character arc it would be, though.
Yeah.
But Liverpool are looking very scary, not going to lie. Free-flowing football. City haven't got one clear-cut chance in the first half. And it's just been Liverpool all day, all night.
Yeah. Salah is back to top form. I mean,
He was
killing
never not in top
Damn,
form.
the
He was never-
scratch
Yeah.
on Pep's
He was
nose is
never-
still there.
My mom was talking to me about it today. She's an ultra basically. She watches every episode and she's like, who was that player who had a scratch on his face?
What did you say?
like-
Nah, you idiot. He's a manager.
She's my mom, bro. Please don't. I don't talk to my
Thanks
mom
for
like
dinner,
that.
auntie. Sorry.
What do you know?
I had dinner here.
Thanks for the invite, bro.
You were late, bro.
If I was your dinner, I wouldn't be late.
Bro, you wouldn't have enjoyed this food at all. It was Marwadi Gujarati food, bro. You barely eat any vegetables.
Yeah, I don't eat any.
Exactly.
The pasta was nice. Thank you for the pasta, auntie.
How was the last week of shoots, boys? Had fun?
Great, smooth. Some of the
Great
best
energy in the
episodes
room.
we've recorded.
Great energy in the room. Like it felt like a more open space, safe space.
Exactly.
No
Not-
ups
no
and bats.
judge.
Nobody was complaining about
Yeah.
any kind of misdemeanors
Yeah,
against
no
each other.
interruptions. Everyone was just flowing, dude.
Mix
Vibes.
came, Mix was high energy.
Yeah.
Everyone was talking about, hey, y'all should have Mix permanently on the show. Not
Yeah.
that. And nobody said for 1 second, where's Tanay?
Yeah, like, I
Tanay
don't
is
think-
missing.
Yeah.
1 week mustache versus another.
Who had Mix and mustache?
This isn't weak, bro. Look at this right now.
You should start twirling it.
He tried. No?
Too
I saw
much
someone's
effort,
story.
man. I did?
You doing this?
Yeah. Probably. Okay, Sammy, you want to talk about the Rohit Sharma Invitational in Australia?
That's exactly what it was. So I think today it got done. There was a practice match organized in Australia. India versus Australia's Prime Minister 11. So there were basically Australia's version of Ranji Trophy, all the best players from their version of the Ranji Trophy against our squad. This entire game was basically organized so that Rohit Sharma could come and get into form and play against the white ball.
How much did he hit?
He hit 3 runs. And everyone else scored a decent amount, barring KL Rahul. He also got 27 runs.
KL also played this.
KL also played this. KL
Nitish
is going to
Kumar,
start.
everyone, yeah.
Nitish Kumar also played. Our first 11 played it.
Oh, okay. Virat, everyone.
Virat didn't come out to bat. Virat did not come out to bat. Sarfaraz played. I don't think he's going to play in the 11, but they gave him a run. But basically this
He
seemed...
ran?
This seemed like a... You know,
Back to
when
the pavilion he ran.
when a birthday party is organized and the person whose birthday it is gets drunk first and kind of crashes out. This is how it felt like. Rohit Sharma did not come to the party and kind of sad. Hopefully he kicks on in this second test.
All Brett Lee and all were like, Rohit is back. You should have seen him in the nets looking flawless and hitting Rohit's nets, man. How can
Even
you
I look
say
good.
anything?
Even I look good in the nets.
Yeah,
Sure.
doubtful.
But what else? So we've won this practice game now.
W's in the chat.
And now if we go on to whitewash Australia, will it be a 5-0 or a 6-0?
Did the Australia play their full first 11?
No.
They played their Ranji team, he's
Yeah.
saying, bro.
They played like
Arey,
knockoff versions of the Australian team.
Obviously, it'll be final, but I wish.
I wish. And then we would be able to qualify for the WTC.
I think, what is it, 4 wins? Automatic qualification. anyway,
4
yeah.
wins. I think we need to win 4-0. There's some
3 or 4,
complicated
yeah.
math.
I think 4-1 also puts a different score than 4-0. It's some weird thing.
It's some percentage game. But you know what? it is Josh Shah's first day as president or chair of the ICC
Today?
today.
Congrats.
Congratulations. Let's all clap.
Well deserved.
India officially own cricket.
Yes, sir.
So hopefully he can do something with the math, some Gochi he can do, cook the books up and make us qualify for the World Test Championship.
I think he will.
His dad will help him out, worst case.
Yeah.
Nepotism, we're all for it.
It also came out now that after we said we're not playing the Champions League trophy, it seems like we're going to be playing our games in Dubai only now.
Of course, bro. They had an entire
bro.
meeting about this.
I mean, it was obvious. It
And
was a big dick move. It's like, we're not going to play, fuck you.
Every 7 out of what? 8? There were 8 teams. 7 teams voted in our favor. 1 team voted in Pakistan's
Who
favor.
voted for Pakistan? Only besides Pakistan. Yeah. Besides Pakistan.
So
Okay.
yeah, I mean, Pakistan with their tail between their legs and they've been sent home and we have been sent to Dubai.
Let's do a vote for Kashmir also like this. International vote.
You know what should actually be done for Kashmir? I think someone was talking about it. I think ZSU had brought it up or someone else. But there should be a decade-long test series.
Sattu brought it up.
I said
Not me.
split stadium, half
Split
Pakistan,
stadium.
half India.
Oh, on the border? And then whoever wins...
And no one can cross over.
So leg side open.
That makes no sense.
But basically, there should be a test match series spanning over 10 decade, 10 years.
decades.
And whoever wins that gets Kashmir.
In.
Agreed.
No
We'll-
war, just cricket. And
Yeah.
let's solve it like men.
Yeah, and we'll go cover it.
Of course, we'll be there, bro. Of course. We'll do the full Wagah border thing also.
Last
for
time
them.
we went to an India match, but did not work out.
I was demanding my money back.
Yeah.
Hopefully that does. Hopefully I don't leave demanding Kashmir back.
I was going to say that upgrade, that ANI News interview will be very different.
Okay, couple of matches just happened in the Premier League. We can start with Chelsea, Aston Villa, Zeus.
Great game, man. 3-0 win against Villa was great. I thought it would be more cagey. But Nicholas
KG.
Jackson doing what he does again. I like the word, no, yeah. It's a good word.
Say.
Also my friend, no? KG Music.
Shout out.
Say a Christmas single coming.
What is he going to call it, man? I'm damn excited to actually see it come into fruition.
Big Santa.
Jiggle balls. I don't know, man. Yeah, great game. Cole Palmer finally on the score sheet against.
What a
that was
goal.
great. What a goal.
He looked quiet throughout the game.
Yeah.
But he popped up in that moment.
Yeah, he was good throughout the game. I don't think he had a bad game. He wasn't just as effective as he normally is, but he's been a little off last few games, but you can expect it. He's the type of player to probably not have a great game and then score a goal like that in the 89th minute. But all around good game. Villa had a few chances, but they all came from a defensive error. So yeah, defense still needs a little bit of shaking up. But yeah, entertaining game. Great. Very happy with the result.
We were talking about it, how Villa have kind of lost some steam this season.
Definitely.
I feel like Champions League
Lewis
football does
Hamilton
that
out.
for you. And they also have a pretty good squad. Hopefully they can bounce back. I like watching them do well and play well.
Villa, Unai Emery. Shout out.
Good evening. He doesn't say good evening
Good
anymore.
evening.
That's sad,
yeah.
bro.
Yeah,
that was
they-
his fucking thing.
He's
Emi
done
Martinez
enough.
got a bad injury also during the game.
Oh damn! What happened to him? Head injury.
No, hand. He got his fully hand was swollen. While and his lower back was fucking. Nicholas Jackson went
Damn.
into him.
But he'll still win best goalkeeper award next
Yes.
year. So no worries.
He deserves it, bro. Every
No,
saw what he
he
did in
does-
the
he-
World Cup or what?
Yeah. So for the next 10 years, let's just keep giving it to him.
For the next decade. Satya, you're being damn distracting.
very
bro. What
distracting,
is happening? At
sorry.
least
So
tell
Once
us.
mirror fell off in the race and 2 drivers have driven over
So
it. and they
Sattu
both
is
have
not.
punctures.
He's checked out of the podcast.
Oh,
He's
that's
watching Formula One in the corner.
That's actually pretty funny. Say one person's mirror fell off and then 2 guys drove over it and punctured their wheel.
Amazing. Amazing. So what? Basically, Mario Kart is going on.
Yeah,
banana.
legit. Yeah.
Hamilton took it.
Hamilton and Sainz.
What's
But
the next one?
on Palmer also, I feel like he's such an output merchant, man. It's insane. Like even when his poor on a form, I think he was averaging an assist still a game. And now I guess, yeah, seems to be back. So,
But
crazy.
yeah, still not on Saka's level, but he's getting there.
He's giving OG Bruno vibes. Where, like no matter how average he was looking, something or the other would come out.
He wishes truth. But yeah, Aston Villa sitting at 12th after top 4 finish last year is not the best thing right now for them. But yeah, strength of schedule, not in their favor either. Okay, next game was United, Everton. All I have to say is we back like we never left.
I called it, bro.
I'm actually happy for you, and I'm
Thanks,
actually
You gonna
after
draw?
so many years of and so many months of disgraceful football, y'all are finally playing football that I would like to watch. And Amad Diallo
Yes.
is looking like a brand new player.
He's great. He's been the best player from the start of the season.
No,
anyways.
no. He got thanda, bro. Like,
He did get Thanda,
Towards
but
the
y'all
end.
have been shit. So
I know,
the
but-
level of best player is
Yeah,
also
it's also
pretty
down.
ass.
I understand, but still, he wasn't like he was not confident when Ten Hag was there. Besides the very beginning, he started off hot, then he slowed down, and then he just wasn't like taking people on. He wasn't working hard. Today, he had 2 goal involvements. One was an assist where he chased down the ball and
Yeah.
then made a nice pass, so that led to a goal, and then 1 assist like that. So yeah, even in the first game that Amorim was in charge against Ipswich, he had a sick assist. He dribbled past a couple guys. First minute they scored. Since Ten Hag has left, United has now lost 5 out of 6 wins, 1 draw. So all good signs. And yeah, man,
I think
playing good football finally. Even though they drew against Ipswich, first half was good. Second half they were a little defending.
I
and
think
on
I
the back
was.
foot.
I preemptively said that Chelsea might be future champs, but after today's performance,
Oh yeah,
I think I'll have to give the future champs crowd to Manchester United.
yes.
Look
We are
at
in the
the
top
team.
half.
So the two. So yeah,
We are in the top half.
Yeah, the top half.
Just to let you bitches know.
Yeah. So the two teams.
Look at the table, Chu.
So
Top
now-
half, they're not showing the whole half, bro.
I just want to clarify one thing is that I was saying that is going to be between Arsenal and City this season, but I want to change that take to it might just be between Chelsea
United
and
and
United.
Chelsea. Yeah.
The two future champs competing against each other.
At least there's a second place might actually fight.
Yeah, actually, it'll be a competition.
Yeah, I know,
They
exactly.
won't bottle it up.
Yeah,
1-1.
I mean exactly. I'm very scared as an Arsenal fan. Y'all are coming after us. United. What is your position right now? 9th, right?
Yeah, top
Yeah,
half.
in a matter of a couple of games, y'all are going to be in competing for the Champions League spots.
Yeah, and then couple more games.
But on a serious note, Amad Diallo seems like he's made for that wing back position, right? He has enough space to run and unleash his speed, and he just
he
uses
unleashed.
pass.
He unleashed.
people getting into those positions, and his final ball has also been amazing.
Yeah, top
Even
lad.
Mazraoui, he's been.
He's been
playing-
good, bro.
yeah.
I think
It's
he's been the
annoying
best
how
player of the
cheap-
But
season.
he's also been playing. Now he's out of position and he's
Yeah.
playing so well because usually he plays number 10, right?
Fuck are you talking about?
Ten Hag said that, right? Ten Hag said
He
that.
did?
Yeah. He played him number 10 in 2 games, 1 or 2 games, and he's played number 10 under. It was a joke. You didn't get it. It's okay. We can move on.
I didn't get it.
Oh, so Ten Hag had said, and he's played him number 10 at Ajax, and he's also played him number 10 at United.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I was saying that he's playing out of position. He's not actually
At outside back
at
or
outside
whatever.
back,
yeah.
which is his original position, but he's actually not playing
Understood.
outside
I
position.
didn't know that he had said that.
Okay, clearly
I
you're
wasn't
a-
watching when
Yeah,
Ten
yeah.
Hag was in charge.
So
properly.
glad you are watching now, and you can give us enough
Acha.
information about United. But you all still won 2 trophies, no, under Ten Hag. So, I mean, it's a win. It's a win for you.
This was this season. Last season I watched
No.
every single second.
It's good. It's good that Ten Hag was manager, and
Yeah.
you really fucked with United then.
Yes, obviously. Also, Xerxes, 2 goals today. Shout out. Well played.
He's actually playing.
9.5 scoring goals, bro.
He's
Imagine.
playing 9.5. He's
Yeah.
all over the pitch though.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
not,
He has some nice passing, bro.
he looks awkward, but he also looks smooth because he's so tall and he gets. I didn't see his goals. How his goals?
Both tap-ins only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just getting into position
Yes.
and putting them in. Nice.
Shout out Bruno also. I think he was your best player today.
Yep. 2 assists for him as well. Yeah.
But
Things
this
are clicking,
happens-
bro. Yeah.
this
New
happens-
manager
Relax, bro.
bounce.
Please
Just saying.
relax,
I'm
yaar.
just saying this happens with United every time y'all get a new manager. Y'all play some great football, great free-flowing football, and then it just turns into some stale
It
bullshit.
took Arteta 5 years to do.
And
what
then
we did
again
in
and
3.
again, y'all be calling for Amarim's head within, I think, let's give it 1.75 years.
1.75 years.
Yeah, 1.75
It all goes
years.
wrong when they see that waterfall from Old Trafford. I think that's when like the head loss starts.
21 months.
21 months. Let's give it 21 months, and United fans are going to be...
21 months. Amorim is not saying in charge for 21 months.
I
Forget his
don't
head.
think... Yeah,
No
exactly.
chance.
You-
I like Amorim a lot.
Then
but
I will... Till the 20th
So what, a manager
month...
should stay for 7 years and win 2 trophies
till
or
the
what?
20th month,
Is that what you like?
Tana is going to be like, yeah, I think Amarim's the guy, Amarim's the guy. And
that 21st month.
then, for 3 episodes, he'll just go quiet. And that 21st month, he'll be like, I've had enough. I've not been watching any football, but I want Amarim out.
I'm a patient guy, bro. Like, give them time.
Yeah, and then your You're fucking coming at me for 7 years and Arteta.
But you all are not
But it's
doing
a
it as well as we
disgusting
did.
stat. Virtue.
It's a disgusting stat.
Yeah, the Arteta thing is embarrassing.
It's real embarrassing,
Embarrassing.
bro. Like I'm not even trolling at this point.
Yeah,
like,
seriously.
What are you all worshipping him for?
For his hairline.
Okay, Fago may be playing better football than the last manager, but he's not winning anything. It's not.
Yeah.
good
Hey,
football.
I look forward to my weekends and I look forward to watching my team.
I also look forward to drink on weekends, bro.
and not watching your team.
But so Unai Emery, you weren't looking forward. to
No,
watching
I
this.
wasn't. Were you?
I don't look forward
But
to
he
watching
doesn't
Arsenal
care, bro.
anyways.
But like, was anybody looking
When
forward to
Poch
Unai
was in
Emery's
charge,
ball?
I
were
pulled
you
the Tanak.
What?
Yeah,
I loved Poch and I don't think Poch should have left in the first place.
cap?
No,
No,
absolutely
no,
not.
he had said that. He didn't
But-
want Poch to leave.
I think at the start of the season it was really bad, but we were the best team in 2024. We had lost like one game. So I just think when we were on an upwards trajectory, they took out Poch.
Yeah.
But they had a plan in mind. It's working so far, so I can't
Yeah,
blame
you can't
it.
complain now.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
can't.
So Chelsea has laid a blueprint for every club. Just spent what, $1.5 billion.
8-year
and-
Easy,
contracts
what's-
minimum.
It's so
Yeah,
simple.
and
I
then
don't know
you-
why these guys are tripping.
Exactly. And November comes and you will be third on the table. Yeah.
7 years later, we'll
And
fight
future
in
champs.
court. 7 years later, we
champs.
fight in court.
See the table
Well, this is
now.
not my problem.
See
bro.
the
I don't
table.
care,
now.
whatever.
See the table now.
They're Man United. Top 10.
Top
Fucking
10.
Fulham drew
Ninth.
today, bro. They should have won.
Okay,
but
you
then
can go
Spurs
to
were good in
West Ham, Arsenal. Arsenal beat them 5-2. All
Oh.
goals in the first half.
What a game.
What a
First-
game.
What a first half.
What a
What a
game.
first half.
Let's say what a first half.
Bro, but was Saka like having a really bad day or something?
Why?
Not like a very good day. He was very good on the field, but he was just like, you don't see him lose his mind that often. He was getting angry at everyone, just pushing everyone like Hamzat on that field. Bro.
Good, bro. I like to see that from Saka
Yeah,
because
but he's so cute.
he is cute, but I
He
feel
is.
like he gets battered otherwise, and the refs don't
Yeah.
even call shit.
so
Same thing has been happening with Palmer
Yeah.
because people have been like double teaming him.
Yeah.
Hey,
He's
hey,
so
hey.
good.
Nidish is sitting here.
Yeah, they've been double teaming him, and you've been seeing it right now. Like
Yeah.
Palmer has not been able to. He'll figure it out eventually because he is a top class player, and Saka is also figuring it out. But I think that physicality is needed from him.
Not even physicality, it was off the ball, like he's getting into fights.
I like that.
Yeah,
like,
even I would like it as a fan.
intimidate your opponents.
Arsenal,
I
different
think
team
yeah.
with Odegaard on the pitch.
So
bro.
Saka and
Yeah.
Odegaard,
Full
too
different
good,
team.
Too good.
So much
Saka
fun to
is
watch.
an
Yeah.
unhateable footballer.
He is.
Yes, and
absolutely an
Have you seen
unhateable
that video
footballer.
with all the English
England
players?
players. Because I see him in
Yes.
camp all the time. I see the
One
videos
after
always.
the other. Who's your favorite player?
Saka. If you don't like Saka, something's wrong with
He's
you.
such a good boy.
Yeah, he's a good boy. Luke Shaw, like, is his biggest fucking
Yeah.
fan, bro.
Even that clip when he met Beckham is just
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
Second, I
fucking
can ask for a
awesome.
photo.
But it scares me, man. I love watching our team play in full form and Odegaard like coming in and seamless transition. But it scares me how important Odegaard is to us.
He is.
And now, like
Is that
within the
middle-
Arsenal camp, there's been that discussion like who's more important, Odegaard or Saka? I feel for me clearly, Odegaard is more important to this team.
I don't think
Not
so.
clearly, bro.
I
At
think
all.
they're both
No?
equally as important. I don't think I'd be able to put a pin on it. I think Saka's absolutely vital. For Odegaard's good at getting the ball to Saka, and then Saka pushes that final thought
Sure.
forward. Odegaard's brilliant through the middle. It's what everyone needs. I think if a team actually wants to succeed, you have to have that that center
That
mid spot.
9.5.
Sure.
It has to be cemented like a De Bruyne. You have a
Or
Palmer
like a
or
Zirkzee.
whatever. Like
Yeah.
a Zirkzee.
9.5.
Like a De Bruyne. It's just you need that.
I don't know, man,
class.
because like when Odegaard wasn't there, we were not being able to get Saka into those
Because that's the-
dangerous
yeah.
positions.
Because Odegaard's the guy getting the ball to
But-
him.
to him.
Okay, who would, let's say Saka gets injured, who is his direct replacement? We can build out the scenario.
We either play Martinelli on that
Martinelli,
side. We have
Trossard.
Sterling, who's been shit, but like you
Trossard.
play Sterling or Trossard
So
on
exactly,
that side.
if Odegaard gets the ball to Trossard, what the hell is he going to
Exactly,
do?
it's a
Saka
little-
can do it 10 times better.
But then if Odegaard gets injured, there's no replacement for him.
I think that
Yeah,
is the
yeah,
bigger
yeah, yeah.
issue.
That is the
Basically,
bigger-
our
Sure.
midfield is just not strong enough to replace
I
him
shouldn't have let
right
Ozil
now.
go.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, that was a mistake that
I love
Arteta
him,
made,
bro, I love
and
him.
that he would have had
He
5 more
can't. He's too
trophies
good.
if Ozil would have been.
Luxury player.
Yeah.
Saying forget
Best
Ozil,
luxury
imagine
player
he's-
ever.
Best luxury player of
But
all time.
Arteta tried his level best to incorporate him in the squad, bro. Ozil cannot do what
Arteta took over when Ozil was still in the squad.
Yeah.
And still.
he was. He made him
As in,
captain.
he had already been blacklisted at that point, right? Because of the China thing.
Oh.
But he was still playing.
Yeah,
Ozil
yeah,
was
yeah,
still
yeah.
playing. He had made him captain for a bit. And you can see what he expects from his number 10. Ozil can't track back
Yeah, he can't.
as much as
You,
Odegaard
you cannot
does.
ask him to
He
also.
doesn't want to. That's why
But yeah, I
he
think-
left the German team and all also.
I forgot about that China thing, bro. That was
damn fun.
also a huge reason.
What happened? Remind me.
So he basically spoke about the
Uyghurs.
Muslims in China basically were undergoing
Okay.
genocide, and then I think there's a lot of Chinese sponsors,
Hmm.
not just at Arsenal but even for the Premier League. And he basically that his career was over then. He
Just-
started getting sidelined.
Just talking about that, did you all see Bentancur got that 7-game suspension? It was like
Yeah.
last week.
Yes.
It was a 7-game suspension for being racist. You know, towards who? Son.
Oh my god.
You know what he said? He said Son and some of his full family is down. He has 11 cousins. They all look the same.
We say that about GS every time Kevin Dadar.
Shout out.
How can that be considered racist? How
Yeah.
can you get a 7? You got a 100K
From his own
fine.
club, no?
100K, yeah.
Son never said anything.
No,
like,
Son came out and said, I don't exactly know what he said and I don't want to misquote him, but the general gist of it was that Son was like, it's okay.
Sattu, look it up now. Swipe left.
I mean, it's
Bro,
all.
there's some intel. The safety car just ended. Norris and Verstappen almost
Bro, we're
crashed.
trying to record a podcast over here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
Sattu,
The main
producer.
This is the big topics are for CS. I'll look up all.
I
the
don't
stats.
exactly know what Son said, but it wasn't made into a huge situation. Postecoglou came out and said a few things that, of course, he shouldn't say this as a professional footballer. And I hope that he can learn from his mistakes and grow.
I don't understand why the FIA, I'm saying, FA needs to get involved in an inter-club training ground incident, in all honesty.
I mean, it's all PR driven. They have a huge East Asian market. You have to take care of that. You have to get ahead of it and apologize. and
publicly
say
said this
no.
or what?
Yeah.
Bentancur.
So I'll
Yeah,
get
in
the
an
full-
interview.
So in a short clip posted on social media from some Uruguayan television program, the host asked Bentancur for a Spurs player shirt. To which Bentancur replied saying Sonny, asking Sonny's. He said it could be Sonny's cousin too, and they all look the same. So Sonny came out and he said, I've spoken with Lolo. He calls him Lolo.
Lolo.
I've spoken with Lolo.
Karishma Kapoor.
That's Bebo, bro.
No, Bebo is
Karina
Kareena.
Kapoor is Bebo and Karishma Kapoor is
Sorry,
Lolo.
Karina. Okay, so he said he made a mistake. He knows this and has apologized. Lolo would not mean to ever intentionally say something offensive. We are brothers and nothing has changed at all, which is a very fair statement.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, fair enough. He made a
And if he
mistake. He
doesn't have a
apologized. He
problem-
says he knows that it's not with ill intent. It's not malicious intent. It's ridiculous.
It's just
If he
just
doesn't have a
boys
problem,
just-
why does the outside? It's like they have nothing else to do, and we want more.
They
bullshit,
see each
yeah.
other. They see each other on a daily basis.
Yeah, man.
It's like
It's
jokes
crazy.
within the
And
boys.
Bentancur's a vital
7
player for
fucking
Spurs this year.
games,
It's a-
bro.
it's a big-
7
it's a big
fucking
miss.
games.
A big miss, but it didn't really affect them against City. I mean,
Yeah, I mean, they drew today.
steamrolled.
They drew to Fulham today though.
And Fulham were 10 men.
10 men down. But they 10 men in like the 84th minute.
Still, and Fulham were very close to winning in the end.
Yeah.
They had an open chance, which I can't remember who missed, but someone did.
Okay, Brentford.
But that was the casuals on racism. Very well handled.
yeah.
Anything to say?
Don't be a racist, but also, I don't think this.
Don't be a non-racist. Joking.
Don't
I'm
be a
joking.
racist, but you can joke around with your friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As much
Also,
as you
like,
want.
Stereotypes come from a place of truth, right? Just putting it out
But
there.
Sattu, like-
See, now I do not have the intellectual facilities to
Yeah.
engage in this
Navigate
debate.
this conversation.
As in
Yeah,
now-
maybe we do this off camera.
Son's cousins do look the same, bro. He's not wrong.
7 shoot fine.
I mean, they are related.
He'll be so happy.
Sattu, apologize to all our East Asian viewers.
Absolutely
We have a huge market in the East Asian community.
Bahadur, I'm sorry, boss.
Hey, bro.
Oh, hey.
Now you're crossing a line. Dude, he makes Frankies and he makes them really well.
Yeah.
Really
Oh,
well.
I thought you were talking about security guard. Okay, Brentford was Leicester. What a game. 4-1 Brentford. Hat-trick from, how do you say his name? Shade?
Glorywood? No, Shade.
Shade.
Look at it.
Shade, he hadn't scored since
April.
And then he got a hat-trick.
Shady.
Wissa, what a game he's had. 1 goal. What touches, bro. What
So,
interplay. He's
I've convinced myself
fucking
that
doing.
Arsenal should sign Wissa as a replacement for Havertz. I think he can do everything that Havertz can
How about
do
Isak?
and better.
Isak or him?
I would take Wissa right
Wissa,
now.
Wissa.
Over Isak.
Yeah, I think Isak gets the ball and takes too many touches. If you see what Havertz is trying to do in that position, it's exactly what Wissa is doing for Brentford. 1-2 touches and then build the play and run into the D, and his finishes have been top class.
So,
this
so you would
season.
want Havertz out of the team because I feel like he's doing
Yeah, do
pretty
you
well.
want
He
to
gets goals. He gets involved in
I
play
want
well.
Havertz to be used as more of a case by case basis.
Okay, you don't want to sell him, right?
I don't want to
Yeah,
sell him.
okay.
He should be played where
He should not start.
But Odegaard,
He said it.
He should start. He should
If
start.
Wissa was there.
He should start on, like, if we need him in the midfield for more physicality, or certain games where we need a more physical presence instead of someone like Wissa.
Yeah.
Then start Havertz, where we are trying to play long balls, win headers. Then start Havertz. But
maybe Havertz can be that like-to-like replacement for Odegaard actually. 'Cause
Absolutely
that's his
not.
natural position.
Look at the
a
difference.
natural
in-
position, but that was his natural position. I don't think
he's
anymore.
not played at that since Chelsea.
He isn't that technical, because you see him every time he tries to get on the ball, take 1-2 touches.
He's too slow, bro, in the tight
Every-
spaces.
One out of
midfield.
one out of
Don't-
3 times it works, but it's
I think he's an excellent centre-attacking midfielder. That's why I wanted him to play for Chelsea also. Because see him playing Leverkusen, I know it's a different league and all, but the way he navigates tight spaces and his touch is incredible. It's just the worst part of his game is his finishing,
Yeah, yeah.
and so that's why I just don't think he should be in that striker
But
spot.
he is the number one striker easily for Arsenal right now. Like,
Right
you're
now,
not going to
yes.
play Jesus.
Right now,
Jesus
Easily.
is a fucking bum. He came
Yeah,
on as a
yeah, yeah.
substitute, and bro, he was doing such recreational shit.
yeah.
I mean, it's absurd. Like,
Watching Sterling and watching Sterling and Jesus
yeah.
play together is such a bum fest.
I think
man.
Sterling and Havertz, I watched that for 1 year.
But they were actually pretty good,
Sterling
man.
wasn't
At that, like, now Sterling is there. Every time he gets the ball, he tries some bullshit. So does Jesus. They're like trying to find their form, but Jesus is trying too hard to find his form, and it seems like Sterling doesn't give a fuck.
It's like when you're in a rush and you actually rush, it doesn't work.
yeah.
Yeah.
You have to just be calm and do how it is normally, and then the
Mhm.
time will get saved anyway.
And also another reason why I don't think Jesus is going to be that number 9 for us, because again he takes too many touches as that number 9.
Yeah.
And that's
And
why I
his
wouldn't want Isak too. I'd want
interplay is
some.
horrible. I don't think Isak is a good signing for us at all.
Why?
I don't know. I feel like he's also too maybe tall, too physical. I think we already have
Havertz in that
that
profile.
going, and it's clearly not working. I feel like we need someone quick.
Mm.
I mean, if you look at even Saka's goal where he passed it to Trossard, that
Havertz almost
sorry,
fucked it up.
Trossard.
Yeah.
We need that kind of sharp, quick, nimble striker up front.
Wissa.
Yeah, exactly. I completely agree that he'd be a much better signing.
Yeah,
like
I was-
an Alexis Sanchez profile is just.
I was watching the game, the Brentford game, and I was just getting myself more and more hyped for, bro, Arteta has to make this happen, or Arsenal has to make this
Make
happen.
a highlight video and put it on the casuals channel.
a
Wissa
little
Arsenal.
hype, a little hype, hype reel.
Build the hype. Start it.
But that last goal that Brentford scored, it was
Marky.
Wissa was involved in like the pre-assist almost, where next to the half line, someone pinged the ball to him, and all he did was lay it off.
Yes, bro. What a touch. That's a Berbatov touch.
Exactly.
It was a
Yes,
Berbatov
very
touch.
Boba-esque, and then they built the play from there, and they scored a beautiful goal on the counter. I mean, that's what we want to see with Arsenal, and hopefully
100%.
they look at Wissa.
Also, I think just the age of like hold-up play strikers is gone now. I don't think it works for anyone. Everyone's too quick. Everyone's moving too much to have that.
Yeah, the defenders are much quicker, bro. You have to react so much faster. So, yeah, Wissa would be better. A good signing, definitely, for you. Vardy had a sick assist. Classic. Jamie Vardy. Okay. Salah!
Oh, 55th minute.
He's
Salah.
fucked
Salah
it.
sails it over the
1-on-1
crossbar.
easy chance.
He's
Fuck
finished.
it.
He's finished.
World-class hair transplant.
World class hair transplant.
Yeah, it
bro.
looks so good.
He's rubbing it also. It's working.
It looks
Not
so
falling
good.
off.
Whoever his doctor is, bro.
Shout out.
Big shout
Might
out.
need you soon.
I don't think I've seen Salah do that in like.
Yeah, bro. That's a one-on-one. He just skied it.
It's Ortega, bro. It was all Ortega.
Oh my god.
So before the game, Pep was asked, why are you starting Ortega over Edison? Is it a form thing? Clearly, it is a form thing.
Yeah.
He said also it's technical reasons.
No, he didn't say
He said
that.
no.
No, and then he rubbed his face. Like, no. He's like, I just think I needed to shake things up. And I was like, okay, bro, just like be honest for once in your life, goddamn. But it's good to see him struggle and be under the cosh. Love to see Pep like feel the real Premier League after 8 years.
Yeah,
Yeah.
actually, also.
I was saying Vardy had a classic Jamie Vardy assist.
Hmm.
He won the ball and then he was one-on-one. He had a nice slide pass to Buanote.
But how
And
he
a
won
nice
that
finish.
ball? He like
yeah, he just grinded and then he nice shoulder pushed
that's
him
what
off,
he would
yeah.
do in that season,
Yeah,
that
the
infamous season when they won.
Not infamous, bro. The most famous.
Infamous
That's
is
what infamous means.
Yeah,
I thought infamous means famous for the bad reasons.
That's notorious.
notorious.
No. That's what I thought at least. So my
I
bad.
mean-
Either way,
He's not wrong.
my bad.
Is it?
Yeah, he's not wrong. You're
Yeah,
not
maybe
wrong,
wrong.
but okay, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the viewers can
I think it
educate
depends on
us.
Yeah,
on,
infamous definition. Famous for being bad.
but bad in a good way. Okay, wrong. My bad. my
Famous,
bad.
is famous for being
Hand
bad.
up,
no?
hand up. the very famous season,
Hitler, infamous.
also famous.
Oh, very famous. But whatever. That famous.
Yeah, just cut to Zio. The casuals on racism again. Very well handled, Zio.
Did you all see that clip of Jamie Vardy? They were asking him like which striker would stays or goes, and he basically picked Aguero over everyone, including like Henry, Van Persie himself. I think Drogba as well.
I
But,
love
yeah,
to see it, man.
He's,
Sick, bro.
He
yeah,
must be
he's-
on. He must be on what 5 Red Bulls at that point. It's also that I saw some crazy like life comes at you in a full circle moment where Vardy broke Ruud van Nistelrooy's record for scoring in 9 or 11 consecutive games, and now Van
It's 11, it's
Nistelrooy.
heaven, bro.
It's 11, right?
7.
It's
yeah,
11, it's heaven.
Yeah.
But 7 consecutive
Jamie
games,
Vardy.
yeah.
So basically, he broke that record
Against United also.
against United. I think how many years now? 9 years ago.
2016, no?
2016.
2016.
15, 16.
Yeah.
9 years ago.
9
8 years
yeah,
ago.
yeah.
And on that day, Ruud van Nistelrooy was announced as Leicester
Leicester.
City's manager. That is a pretty
Crazy,
crazy
that's
moment.
crazy.
Nobody, if you would have told me that 8 years ago, I probably laughed at your face. Like a United player coaching. Have you seen how bad all of them are at coaching?
Bro, 3-4-3 Van Nistelrooy yeah, with United.
True, that's
Main
true.
man in
Even
charge.
Giggs was really good.
Yeah, player manager.
Yeah, but his antics off the field
Sattu
have
was saying,
cost him dearly.
Giggs is a chew.
He is a
Big,
dick, bro.
big
He's a
dog.
dick,
Big
bro.
dog.
You can't do that to your brother.
Big dog.
Shouldn't do that to anyone.
Like dog in a bad way.
Especially your
Especially
brother.
yeah.
Also, she was pregnant, bro. Is he mad? So whose baby was it?
Giggs.
or Rodri?
Giggs.
Ryan or Rodri's? Giggs.
So Sattu was saying the top strikers in the Premier League, he picked Aguero. Out of that list, I would pick Aguero as second. Only Henry.
Vardy
is-
picked Aguero?
Only Henry
Over
before
himself
him.
as well, yes.
Oh. I thought Vardy picked himself.
No.
What
Sorry,
the
I
greatest
totally
striker
misheard you.
of the Premier League?
Yeah.
No, Henry, man.
Henry,
Henry's
that's what I said.
Aguero's not
Clear.
second.
I would say
I mean,
there's
it's
a good
fair.
argument
It's fair,
for
it's
it.
fair.
Yeah,
It's
it's
a
not
Who
a
do you think
wild
is
take.
second?
I think it's
Rooney.
either
Rooney.
Shearer or Rooney.
No, Shearer Rooney, yeah.
Rooney.
Maybe Bergkamp.
He's not a striker.
He was not a strike,
They played
outright
two.
strike.
No,
Two
no,
strikers.
Centre forward.
No, they played two strikers. Bergkamp a little deeper than
Huh,
Henry, but it
yeah.
was a two-striker
9.5,
formation.
bro.
You could argue.
9.5.
He was sorry.
but he's
Xerxes
a-
is the OG Bergkamp.
Yeah, and Bergkamp's a striker. He goes down to the striker.
Sure. I mean, if Zio's going 1 to Arsenal, I'm no one to
But
say
they-
I argue.
Bergkamp, I love Bergkamp.
He's
That's
class.
a
But they
silky
played
footballer.
front. They played 3, bro. They played 4-3-3.
No.
No.
Perez, Henry,
Perez,
Bergkamp.
Perez, Lundberg, left mid,
Yeah,
right
4-3-3
Acha.
was not invented then.
Everyone played 4-4-2.
4-4-2.
2 banks of 4.
Yeah.
Two. You do whatever you want. It was Bergkamp and Henry, and
And
then
Rooney.
left.
Rooney, I said, yeah. Rooney.
Rooney, Boba.
Drogba. I would,
Yeah.
No.
I would say
Aguero
Drogba.
Over Drogba.
No.
But
Aguero.
Drogba for his, I mean,
Clutchness.
iconic, yes,
Drogba's a
iconic
big,
moments.
he's the big game player, bro.
Yeah.
And
He's
he's a
Mr.
big-
Wembley.
Also, his entire story with like Mourinho narrating that
Yeah,
incident
yeah.
with
Oh my God,
Abramovich,
that's
saying
crazy.
that,
Do it, Nazius.
who do you
please.
want?
Please, yes.
Yes.
Don't know it. I
Yes,
don't
please.
know it. I'll do it
Mourinho,
next time. But I
please.
have to know it to do it.
Oh, the exact
Yeah,
words.
yeah.
Huh.
Yeah,
Okay,
next time.
fine.
Prepare it. That's how we're going to
Done.
start the
Yeah,
show.
yeah, yeah.
Retention
Done,
for the
done.
next episode.
Done.
But Aguero has to be in the top 3. I
Yeah.
feel like that kind of player profile still today would be scoring 20 plus goals every season.
I wasn't saying that he is
Okay.
1 or 2 or anything. I'm just saying that it's not a bad thing that he picked him first. Like, he belongs.
He is a replaceable.
He belongs.
He is a replaceable.
We cannot replace
Yeah,
him.
we cannot replace him. We
Who
cannot
belongs?
replace him.
Aguero.
Aguero, yeah, in
He
that
put Aguero
conversation.
first. Wait, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He
he put
put-
Aguero
he put-
first over everyone.
Okay.
essentially.
And he put himself.
As in, so it was a pick which player continues.
Oh.
So he kept going, and last player they asked him like, you or Aguero, and he said Aguero.
That's-
Aguero.
yeah.
I hate Aguero.
Why?
City.
I like him after he retired. I hated him when he
Just
was
because he
player.
had that heart problem, so you start feeling bad for him.
No, he does a lot of streaming shit. And he's like, he said, go. He was on speed or
I know.
low sport. Someone streaming.
Yeah.
Aiden Ross's stream and Aiden Ross ends the stream and Aguero goes and he's in Spanish. He's like, everyone, shut your laptop, tape, shake it off and go to sleep.
One of the streams
A
he
real
called
one.
Messi Live also. How are
He's
you,
fun-
bro?
He's
Yeah.
funny as fuck on his streams.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
He's a funny guy, but I hated him when he played for City.
He was too good. That's
That
why.
heart problem also I felt bad, like no lie.
Greatest Premier League singular moment ever.
Aguero broke my heart.
Has to be up there.
It is.
Has to be, but I don't know.
Greatest Premier League moment.
I think
was,
it's Leicester winning the Prem.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
No,
but,
but-
like one single moment, not a whole
Yeah,
season.
Eden Hazard, what a
Yeah.
goal!
Yeah.
Battle of
Leicester's
the
go.
Yeah, they
Say
were
it,
not.
please,
Leicester won the Premier League, but they were not even involved in that
Yeah.
moment.
It was too good. They wanted Vardy's
And that
house.
entire game was so much fun. to
Because
watch.
Chelsea was shit that year.
Yeah.
And
Exactly.
they turned up against
And
Spurs.
Tottenham were losing their minds.
They were crazy, bro.
Pochettino's getting onto the field like, stop fighting. We are going to win the Premier League. You're fucking this up.
And they finished third. that year.
Yes.
Have you all seen Hazard talking about it in some interview?
Yeah, he was speaking of the
And the
Battle
way
of
he
the Bridge.
describes it, he
He
just
said
like,
it was like, that was just one of the days.
he stepped onto the field. He said, I played for like 2 minutes and I knew this was just one of those days. I was on it. No one could stop me.
Sick.
What a player.
Okay. Do we want to talk about
We should do an episode of iconic Premier League moments and then we just
rank them?
rank them.
Let's
maybe.
go.
Yeah.
What do we have to do?
Wolves Bournemouth. There was some history made, Sattu, while you kill that mosquito
Oh
and
my
break
God,
the whole
was-
set.
That was all.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so it's not history as per, but 2 players in a single day, both scoring hat tricks. So Shade, as we already discussed, and then Clivert for Bournemouth. But yeah, pretty insane. I think the last time there's a record for 3 players scoring a hat trick in the same game day.
Okay.
It's only happened twice in Premier League history. So 19 or
I think it
English
happened
top
last year.
flight. Yeah, so the most recent one was last year, and then one before that was I think 1964 or something like that.
What happened?
Get your knowledge up. Yeah. Before it started, we said this and then he said one happened last year. And this time he didn't say it again. So
Good, bro. Keep your assistant on his toes.
Yeah.
but
Okay. We can move on to Premier picks. Give us the table, please.
Table to
Give now before this game. Liverpool is still winning one as it stands. Give us the table.
65th minute. Doku's
We all
changed
picked
his,
draw now for this.
Yeah, Doku's
No.
changed his look
No,
up.
who picked?
only so. Both
Zio
of them
and I
picked
picked draw.
You
I picked draw for the United
Liverpool.
game also.
I picked Liverpool. Oh,
So you and I are basically right now on track for all our picks. being
okay.
correct.
Come on, give us the table.
City is looking better in the second half.
As
Not
it
gonna lie.
stands.
And Doku's changed his look to
This, no?
look more like
Wait.
Saint
Wait,
Maximin.
let me do
Hopefully that helps
So
his
34.
form.
Tane gets one.
You look good. You feel good.
Zeus, don't
You
fuck
play
around with
good.
the scores, man. Please.
Yeah, what is happening, bro?
Arey, wait now.
Zeus said over the weekend that he's really good at mental math, but not subtraction. He can do multiplication, but not subtraction.
Division, multiplication, addition. Anything.
Division, you can do better than subtraction.
So over the weekend, we went and played mini golf, and we had a
Yeah.
personal scorekeeper. I'm
Liverpool 2-0.
Oh, what a save, Ortega.
Ortega. Brilliance by Pep.
Yeah, I mean,
Brilliant.
what else?
Brilliant.
Handball penalty.
What do you say? I said
Offside.
mini golf.
That guy must have done some gochi with the scores.
No
bro.
chance, bro. I was keeping track of the score the whole time in my
I don't know
head.
how I've just trusted Zio. Also, he would say, yeah, minus. I'm like, yeah, okay, bro, you might be right.
Bro, I
You
was
also played
verifying
golf
myself.
so much, so
Yeah,
you
dude. Like
also
I grew up on a golf course practically, bro.
and you looked the part too.
You grew up on Dada Parsi as a golf course?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's uneven. No, so you just take a ball, you whack
Oh,
it.
it helps your game.
Yeah, any
Because
hole
it's
is a
not
goal.
even.
It's actually pretty crazy because there's asphalt also on the golf course,
Yeah.
Oh,
and there are
fuck.
cars also.
Yeah, everything.
And then dogs also come once in a while, and then randomly you'll see 3-4 Parsis walk around.
With golf clubs.
Yeah.
But I'm a chipping expert.
And then in the corner there'll be a Dhansak stand. So
I chip the ball down.
what on the 9th hole there's some obstacle, right?
Yeah, so you have to basically outside the fire temple. There's a cow.
Enough.
You have to look at the cow, say Jai Shri Ram, and then move on.
Not Jai Shri Ram. We have to do some Parsi prayers. Put it under. It has to go under the cow.
You cannot harm. If you harm the
No,
cow,
you harm the cow, you're killed.
there's a riot.
No, you're killed.
Oh, okay.
Straight.
Killed.
No,
Killed,
then you.
killed in the fire straight.
Oh.
Like that only.
That's how the fire keeps burning.
Yeah,
no?
then.
Oh, I
There's a
thought it was
long
the cow
drive down
shit
the road.
that made the fire burn.
No. It's human flesh.
Oh.
So Gary Road is a main road. You have to drive it down that main road, and then there's a putla. You know putla?
Yeah,
Statue.
yes.
Hole in one is the asshole.
Yeah. No, hold on.
And
That's a. You get 2-3 negative.
And on
points.
this nice on this nice golf course, what's the dress code? Sadra Kasti?
Depends on the day, bro.
Acha.
We do themed, no.
Oh, and non-Parsis are not allowed to play.
Not allowed.
Women allowed or no?
Not allowed.
Golf is full form is gentlemen only, ladies forbidden.
Yes, it is. Okay.
I love
Premier
golf.
pick scores. Sattu's had enough.
As it stands, I'm on top with 38 points. Sammy's fallen 2 points behind at 36. Tanay at 34 and Zio at 26.
So we are.
I got all my picks right. I only got 34.
You won 30.
Oh, it's only 4 games this week.
So we are changing the forfeit to whoever finishes first right now.
Yeah, of
Whoever
course.
finishes first has to do stand up. Who's first right now? Sattu. Oh my god, bro. Magically, the forfeit thing keeps changing to wherever Sattu lands, man.
Arey, but you have to say something about
have
your.
to say.
How many points does he have?
I'm 8
26.
points behind last. Third.
Oh.
Behind last. You are last.
I last. Damn, bro. How did it go this bad for me? Hey, you said I'm checking the sheet tonight, bro. First.
check it, bro. I'm on fire.
Do some
with the picks.
multiplication. Make sure it's right.
Ask me some question. I'll answer you ASAP.
69 into 69.
No idea.
You did answer it ASAP.
There are some midweek games that we need to get to. Premier picks. So these guys, the producers, beat us in the quiz that Jeshad hosted, episode 50. So they
Yo,
will.
Tana, you are asking for the vape.
So they will. so they will pick our Premier picks for us this week. So go for it, all 5.
Cool. But you want to discuss the games as well?
Sure.
Or
Of course,
save
the
that?
first one. Arsenal vs United first.
So I'm going Arsenal.
I'm going Arsenal as well.
And we've put United for both of y'all.
Great.
You're same
Lovely,
pick
yeah.
anyways.
Same to same.
Where is it happening? Emirates or Old
Emirates.
Trafford?
Emirates.
It doesn't matter.
You have to do that before we answer. Otherwise it doesn't work.
That was too bad. That was too
Your
bad.
answer 2 ASAP, bro. 2
ASAP.
Producers
Two
are-
ASAP.
Yeah,
but I'm going to go for Arsenal, of course.
Doesn't
But you don't
matter
get
what
to
you go for. It doesn't fucking matter.
It's going to be the first real test for the future champs. Unfortunately, they're going to fail.
United is winning, bro. These guys picked it for me and it's gonna happen. It's true. It's written.
Oh,
Rashford.
y'all are picking fully?
Yeah.
Rashford. Hat-trick.
Actually, I want United to win anyways.
So y'all picked, what did y'all pick for us?
So we both have gone Arsenal and we picked United for both of y'all.
Oh my god.
Also,
It's fine, bro. United will win. At least you'll
You're
have
gonna
something
win.
to celebrate.
Think about it this way. You watch this game, it's a win-win for you. Unless you draw.
Exactly.
1:45 a.m. is just fucking ridiculous.
It's a 1:45 AM game.
Yeah,
Is it
fucking
Tuesday or
ridiculous.
Wednesday?
No. So that's a 9:15 game, no? In UK. Minus.
Tuesday
4.5.
night, Wednesday
Mental
morning.
math.
A fraction.
Yeah. Oh no, it's Wednesday night.
Wednesday night.
1:45.
They're mad or what?
Ridiculous.
They have to keep a later game on Wednesday, no? Because people will get off work Wednesday late.
Yeah,
That's
I know,
why
but
the-
like, think about the Indians.
But genuinely, just you should think about the Indians. You're gonna get-
Genuinely, yeah.
It's just dumb.
The Indians
Follow
and the
cricket,
Chinese.
bro. Are they dumb or what?
Southampton, Arsenal. What the fuck did I say?
Are they-
Southampton, Chelsea. Sorry.
Are they playing the United Arsenal game also with the pink ball?
Think for day
Yeah.
and night.
Southampton, Chelsea.
So I'm going Chelsea,
I'm obviously going Chelsea.
and we've picked Southampton for both.
Serious if you don't catch up this week, bro.
Bro, if it's Southampton win, nah, I'm killing someone.
The only way he catches up is literally if he gets 4 draws in one game week. Correct.
Ah.
No.
But
Gradual.
slowly,
in one
slowly.
game,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
time.
Make some
Southampton
distance.
looks so ass, bro. And this weekend they wore that dirty pink jersey.
I mean, they were decent against Liverpool in all honesty.
They actually were decent against
But
Liverpool,
like
that
they
is true.
just never look like they're going to win.
You don't like that pink jersey? I think it's sick.
It looks too pink and fluorescent, bro. It was
get in touch
hurting
with
my
the
eyes
feminine
while
side,
watching
bro.
the game.
Seems like you're not comfortable in your own skin, bro.
What?
Why? I don't mind wearing pink.
He likes the captain's armband, bro. It's okay.
The captain's armband.
I
looks-
think our captain's armband
I
is
think
sick, and I
it's
think it
so-
gives such a good message out to the world also.
And Newcastle and Manchester City are wearing the captain's
Exactly,
armband.
the LGBTQ supporting. What do you think?
It's
He
gone.
has a pink phone case, so clearly he's a LGBTQ supporter. Good one, Nidish. Nidish. Nandi, please mute that.
Oh shit! It's not
But-
going to get caught, I think.
But yeah, it's very funny to see Newcastle and City wear the Pride armbands right next to other sponsors also from the state.
Yeah, absolutely. What? It's
Nothing.
not funny.
Continue.
Cool. City versus Forest next.
Newcastle, Liverpool, you skipped.
Oh yeah, sorry. Newcastle, Liverpool.
Good ones, yes.
It doesn't make a difference, yeah.
Going Liverpool for this one.
I'm going Liverpool as well. Can you all guess?
Newcastle.
Give us one draw.
No.
One
So,
draw.
no.
There is
So
a
I'm 8 points behind. That's all.
Don't be a bitch ass like this, bro. Sattu is doing it regardless.
There's a
what
little,
are you
uh,
worried about?
glimmer of hope for you all at the end of this.
Yeah.
You have to pretend like it matters
Yeah.
at least a little bit.
But
No, but I don't want to
Newcastle
negotiate when we've
not
already
that bad.
lost, bro.
Newcastle's still fine. Like anything can happen. That's a big enough team to
They've
beat
looked
Liverpool.
so ass, bro, this season.
But it doesn't matter. No,
They look
ultimately.
good for 20 minutes in a game and then they fuck up.
Yeah, and Liverpool on the other hand.
Who
looking
did Palace play?
crazy.
Yeah, Liverpool is
Palace played
very hot
Newcastle, right?
now.
Yeah.
Did you watch the game? Did anyone watch the game? Their winger who scored the equalizing goal for Crystal Palace. What is his name?
Wait, I got it. Munoz.
Munoz. He scored the equalizing goal for Palace in the 90th minute. That guy has had a horrendous game. He's missed 2 to 3 open chances before, like first 5 minutes of the game, he missed an open chance for Palace where Palace could have gone ahead, and then he missed an open chance again in the second half. Thank God he got that winning or equalizing goal for Palace, because it would have been an all-time shit night for him. For his sake.
Yeah.
For his.
The guy who scored for Fulham also today against Spurs got sent off right after the goal.
Kenny.
Yeah.
I love seeing that,
That
on
was a straight
FPL.
red. Huh?
Yeah, that was the
I love seeing that on FPL when all the stats are hit, like goal, assist,
And then
own goal,
red card.
yellow card, red card.
That should be man of the match.
Yeah, yeah.
Like if you're getting involved so much, I mean,
perfect game. No?
the least the Premier League could do.
Okay, Sattu, City,
Cool.
Forest.
City Forest. So I'm going City.
And I'm going City.
I'm
This-
going.
You all want to guess?
Forest.
Yeah, but it's still.
Yeah, that's.
I mean, that's a good
in the
pick,
balance.
actually.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a
Honestly,
good pick.
very
Good pick, I
stressed
don't know.
about this, but
a
we couldn't
great
give you all a
pick.
draw.
It's a
Give us a
great
draw.
pick.
No.
Hat.
Now for the last game, Everton Wolves.
Y'all-
I'm going draw,
I'm going draw.
and we thought we couldn't decide on this,
We
so
said-
we left it up to you all.
Oh, penalty!
penalty,
No, that's not what I said.
Pep
Not
should
up
have
to
played Edison because Ortega has just conceded a penalty.
Wait, who can say?
Keep my vape na loud.
What happened?
Bro, I didn't ask for it. Now I'm keeping it.
What happened? What happened?
No, I just asked who conceded it.
Oh, Ortega Moreno conceded it. Should get a yellow for it, unless it was a dive. So Diaz loses the ball. Walker comes in and fucks up.
Family
That was
Guy
not
lost the
Walker's
ball, bro. Oh
penalty,
my god,
clear
pen.
penalty.
I guess.
Diaz wins the ball, runs
You'd say he
towards
jumps
Ortega,
into him,
and
bro.
then touches it past
I
him.
don't know if that's.
And
a
Ortega,
penalty.
I mean, there's contact. There's contact on the edge of his boot.
Penalty,
They are
penalty.
not going to give that.
Confirmed.
Yeah.
Okay, so for the last game, you
Salah
were
with
saying,
the goal.
oh, you want to do it after this pen?
No.
No.
They're going to take 5
Yeah.
minutes to get in position.
Okay, so we said Everton
Congratulations.
He's
Wolves.
scratching his head.
No, he's not. He's actually drinking water. So that's
did you
good.
pick first?
Keeping his
Everton
hands
Wolves.
busy.
Sattu's gone draw. Even I've gone draw as well. And we said we don't really know what we want to choose, either Everton or Wolves for y'all. We were not sure, so we said we're going to let intern Nidish do it. So intern Nidish, you have to choose Everton or Wolves for them.
Or
You
draw.
cannot choose a draw.
Or draw.
You cannot choose a draw.
Wolves.
So he's saying
Wolves.
Wolves win. That's good. That's what I wanted to say.
Any particular reason, since you watch so much Premier League?
So you all have the exact same picks and we have the exact same picks?
Yeah.
if we come out on top, bro. That would be insane.
Man, no results go away and all
If
go
we
my way.
get
I
more
get 6
points
points.
than y'all,
on
if
them,
we
bro.
get more points than y'all, then y'all have to do
then
some.
it's a
forfeit.
disgrace. It's a,
Yeah.
yeah. Then it's a
Yeah,
disgrace.
Yeah.
Then next episode shirtless for you guys.
No,
How
no.
many fucking forfeits am I going to do?
Salah goal.
What a pen, man.
Salah goal.
My FPL is cooking.
Salah
Oh,
with the
he's
Lambo
copying.
lead.
He's copying a Garnacho celebration.
Man, that new hairline doing wonders, man. Maybe
Yeah.
if we all get a hairline fix, we might get more views.
Let's make some money. Then we'll talk about.
Let's go to
hairline.
Turkey.
Yeah.
Turkey.
Anything else we need to discuss? Sattu, you had some FPL insights.
Yeah, the
You're getting
non-Haaland
too
FPL.
cocky.
Finally,
This is
paying
your
off.
personal team, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
this is my personal team. 14th right now in the league. I should go up maybe a couple more places by the end of today's games. So yeah, we were discussing what happens if I'm almost 100 points off the lead right now. But miraculously, good bench boost, good triple captain, and if I get to the top, do I get to keep our money?
Yeah, the casuals will keep the money.
So I'll add. Oh, yeah. I'll
So
add
I'm doing the
something.
stand up. You all are keeping my money.
If you do the stand up, we'll throw that money at you, bro, if you want.
If somehow you win it, I'll double what is in that pig. But if you don't, then you give me quarter of what's in that pig.
What is this shit negotiation, bro?
Is it bad?
And we have to decide whether or not you get the quarter of that money if he doesn't win.
Arey, Buddhu.
From his
Listen,
own stash.
From his
na?
own stash. I thought from the piggies, like, give me quarter of that.
What shit, bro?
No, we decide what happens.
Farhan was just fuming right now.
Yeah.
My friend Farhan is very upset with you all because you're
Why?
disrespecting his team name. It's
What
Far 555. You have to say it like that. he
Oh,
said.
my bad.
Far
Farhan.
555.
Fa.
What are we
That
supposed to
doesn't
call
make it
him?
better,
Far
bro.
555.
What are we supposed to call him? Kola?
Sibao.
Sibao.
And throw up the
Sibao. Fa. What is a baby Keem reference or something? Or what?
I have no idea. He just told me, bro, tell your boy. He said, tell your boy.
Sorry, man.
Yeah, he actually got angry.
Yeah,
I don't give a fuck.
Saka and double
He's
digits.
ultra.
Dude, Doku looking
He's
like
an ultra-
Ronaldinho
Oh,
out there,
sorry,
bro.
bro. Your view is very important to me.
Doku's looking like Ronaldinho out there with the thing.
No,
Oh.
but like Maxima
It's Alan Sane.
with the
With
headband.
the headband, yeah.
Bro,
He's also playing like him.
Noni, like Noni.
Liverpool has opened up
Nani,
a
Nani.
9-point lead, man. Top of the table.
This is insane. I think they've.
I think only
confirmed the
United
league,
has a
man.
chance.
Bro, Bernardo's been on some different smoke throughout this.
Arey,
game.
all of them are frustrated, bro. No shit. Yeah.
Stay humble, eh?
Ask na. Intern Nidish.
Why is the captain wearing a LGBTQ
Oh
badge?
my god.
Both the captains.
We had a full discussion about this. He's just woken up, man.
Why? Yeah.
Why do you
So
think they're
they're
wearing
both
it?
married to each other. They're expecting a kid. No, but they just is it? But
It's
it's
just
not Pride Month,
awareness.
actually.
No, they just support.
Yeah, during this time they
Yeah.
just. I mean, you don't.
I think all year they wear this now.
No, not all year. Yeah, how do you know Nidish? You're asking the question and now.
Not all year. I don't wear it all year. So.
Gay people feel colder, so during the winter months, they
Oh
support.
my god.
See those gay parades.
No. Done. Nidish, no.
Not right now.
Not right now. Not right now.
Nothing else, huh? We're going to watch the rest. 10 minutes. Keep it rolling.
Leave it on.
Yeah, keep rolling.
Okay, 10 minutes are left in this Liverpool City game. Liverpool's up 2-0.
It's done
yeah,
for, bro.
Done. League's
League
gone.
is also done for.
Unless they
I guess
Arsenal
I'll-
it.
I guess I'll have to take my future champs statement about
Salah
United back.
11 goals this season.
But he has fewer assists than Saka, just saying.
Saka's
Sorry,
on
yeah.
killing the assist chart.
But he's still
I think-
second highest in the assist chart.
Saka, no.
Salah,
Saka
yeah.
is 10
Salah
now.
is second highest.
Did Salah assist this game?
First goal, no?
I think.
Yes.
I think
Yeah, he
so.
assisted the
Because
first.
Palmer came second after our game. So I think maybe Salah took
possible.
it back.
Yeah, I checked it before the Chelsea game.
Yeah, Salah
Nothing.
just got one more assist than Palmer. Because I saw after the
18
Yeah,
goals
yes,
and
we've been
assists.
saying that.
bitch.
18 goals and assists, 13 game weeks in is fucking insane, man.
So are they going to pay him or let him go?
I can't believe they're still not giving him a contract. In all honesty, like,
They're waiting for the season to end?
God knows.
It's
I mean,
sad, huh?
It's either that or his age, right? One of the two.
But they're fucking themselves by doing this. If they're going to wait longer and his performances are just going to get better and better,
And
he's
they,
just going to demand more money.
And Liverpool financially, I think, are pretty stable, right? I don't think they have anyone on crazy wages or like any sort
But
of.
that's how they've been able to keep the squad intact and have good talent because they don't really break their weight
But
structure.
look at what he's done, bro.
No, but
you have to
the
pay him.
problem here,
man.
what
You
I would
have to
argue
pay him.
He's their
Because that's
greatest,
why they
he's their
let-
greatest Premier League
They
player
let
of all time.
Mane go, right? Because they
Yeah.
had to choose between him or
He's
who
their
to pay, and they
their
chose
greatest
Salah.
Premier League player of all time. Fuck
This
Steven
actually
Gerrard.
Yeah, I
He is their
agree.
greatest.
Actually, I agree. He's won at least.
I disagree on this because we've also seen what happens when these players get like massive contracts. So many players have fallen off immediately after getting that.
Yeah, but
Big
that does not
300K
still not
plus.
give them the contract they deserve.
I think you are just very scarred from Aubameyang
And Ozil.
and Ozil.
Oh my God, Haaland with a chance.
Stay
And he's
humble.
fucked it.
Might.
KDB,
He
that's
has-
KDB.
Oh,
That's
KDB,
KDB.
sorry.
He should have passed it to Haaland.
KDB, time to go.
Yeah. He's looking very slow
Yeah,
Bro.
go
It's
to
not
Saudi,
Jan
bro.
yet. It's not
Leave
Jan.
the football.
before.
Yeah,
Football
man.
leaves you.
I also don't think he's used to being
Van
fit for
Dijk,
this
what
long.
a turn. Like Bergkamp.
Both are Dutch.
He went for... he almost snuck it in, huh? Through his
Koeman.
legs. Yeah. But what do you think? Salah came out and said that, and you think he should have or he shouldn't have?
Tana, you missed the last episode. You didn't even watch it. We discussed all of
We
that.
discussed it.
I did watch
But
it.
personally, from like the player perspective, he should have.
100%
But from a
he should
club
have.
perspective, that I don't think that's.
I mean, I feel like we are a player first I believe that we are a player first podcast. I feel like get your bag, say whatever you can to
Yeah.
get all the leverage you can.
Even Bale is like, let's just be honest, he's just doing it to get more money.
Yeah.
And in your
He
career as a
deserves
footballer
it,
is pretty
bro.
short. Do whatever you can to make that.
Salah's getting subbed
While
off.
we're talking about like transfers and shit, can we just like fuck Fabrizio, bro? He's ruined football signings forever.
He's giving-
ruined
yeah.
the Ballon d'Or.
Dude, he's giving goal updates before teams now, bro.
Yeah, I'm like
It's so
he had his
annoying,
run,
man.
he had his time in the sun, and we all loved him. And now
I still love him.
Yeah, even I like him.
He's
But the problem is
he's doing his job well.
He's a
What
very
we nice
excellent
for
guy.
that.
The thing is,
bro,
he's
but-
become a leverage point for players and agents now. Like he starts announcing shit, putting shit out there for like them to.
Game's the game, bro.
Yeah, game's the game.
You only were saying free market and all before the episode.
About what?
Sattu.
Oh shit. Yeah,
Enough
Sattu, you
said.
can't backtrack.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah. Game is game.
Game's the game now.
Fabrizio, what a choose.
Fabrizio-
I mean, if we were announcing these transfers, then it would have been fun. No?
We just start doing random transfers. We should just
Just
start
hop on
announcing.
Instagram like stories or something. And
I
then
think
just-
I'm just gonna create in really bad photoshops.
But you need a tagline like that. Here we land.
Yeah, that kid.
What could be ours? We make Nidish do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we
This-
swim. Here we
Here we
dive.
swim.
Here we dive.
This is gay.
Also, on KG's Christmas song, I think you should make a jingle for the casuals.
Ooh, great
Yes,
idea.
bro,
Speak to him.
yes.
Yeah, nice. But let's get a jingle from a better person.
Christmas Drillings is a good jingle, bro. Actually, it's a good song. How did they do
It's
it?
a song, bro. It's a
Yeah,
We'll
it's a
dance
good-
for
it's a
KG
good- it's a
also.
song, yeah,
KG
it's a
wants
good
us to
song.
dance
It's
for
the
him on
1,
his
2,
screen.
3.
What are you talking
The
about?
Sideman.
Christmas drilling.
Yeah,
they
the
make Christmas
Sidemen-
songs.
So
They make
last two
songs,
Christmas videos
yeah.
of theirs, they've been making like they make a song where
1
team has,
million
like, a
versus
studio and
100.
shit,
Yeah.
and the other team just works with whatever little they have.
No, so that was last year. The year before that was different.
Vicstar's
Both
voice in that
Who
is
has
crazy.
water, man?
Yeah.
This first one was just both of them create a song.
What invite?
Off camera topics, off camera.
To his B-Day, we didn't get the invite, bro. To KG's.
I'm so hurt. KG.
I know, bro. It's
Yeah,
fucking.
KG, you didn't
Actually,
invite.
enough is enough, bro. Take me to Pune already.
Take us to
is enough.
You went?
take us to Pune.
You've been before?
Never.
Why you should again?
Take us to Pune to sit in one room
Yeah.
for
please.
2 days.
Oh, no outdoors, huh?
No outdoors.
Too many mosquitoes.
Damn straight.
Should have seen Sattu, bro, outdoors on Saturday at the.
Was he
mini golf.
uncomfortable? Was he
Very
quivering?
uncomfortable. You saw the story, or he's hiding his cock.
I was genuinely stressed, bro, when he swung that fucking golf club. Like, bro, it looks so bad in the story now. I look back at it, the club is like this much
Yeah,
higher than the
it's
ball. But, bro, when you're standing that close and you see that full power swing coming, it's stressful.
Should have slipped from his hand.
What chips I was hitting, bro. Wow.
Why were you chipping at a putt-putt course?
No, there was
There's one
one
chipping
course.
hole.
It wa-
Putt
one course. It was.
That's what it's called? Putt-putt
yeah,
golf,
it's called
right?
that.
Yeah, but like mini golf is called putt-putt golf.
Sattu,
is.
shut the fuck up. Get outside. You'll then talk to me.
But there was this one course.
Mini
called,
golf is mostly indoors, firstly. In my
There was
defense.
this one
No?
course called. Do
Sattu,
you even live?
you are fucking tripping.
Absolutely
The only ones I've seen in the Sidemen videos are all indoors.
Okay, everything is side, man.
Yeah, what the fuck? Bro? You say whatever you want.
Mostly
indoors.
He's convinced himself this game is also happening indoors.
Okay, if Madrid closed their roof, is it an indoor game?
Indoor game.
Yeah.
They're still touching grass.
So
You
indoor or outdoor?
don't do either.
So if I get an AstroTurf in my bedroom,
You're indoors, you're touching grass, yeah.
Yeah.
But get out of your fucking bedroom. That's the point.
it's so comfortable.
It is. I had a nice nap in Sattu's
Yeah,
bed.
done hai, pass the
Oh,
fuck.
Pep just showed how many 6 Premier Leagues he's won?
Yeah, sick.
Yeah, he just showed the crowd 6. I've won 6. The crowd is probably chanting shit at him.
They're chanting chakka chakka.
No, they ask you how
Oh,
much time
sorry.
left.
Oh.
6 minutes.
I
When you ask him these tourneys, yesterday bro, we lost this tournament. Bro.
You're playing an all Parsi tournament.
Yeah, we lost the semis yesterday.
Yeah.
This
Whose fault
referee
was it? Whose fault was
Farhan.
I'm
it?
not saying.
Farhan.
I'm not saying.
Say na.
No.
Sena.
No.
If I speak.
If I
We'll
speak-
cut it out, bro.
No.
We'll bleep it.
No.
Did you play the full game?
Obviously.
It was your
Full
fault?
game, sub,
What
rolling
position
subs.
do you play now?
Right back.
Right back bench.
Amazing.
No,
Tone
bench
aa gaya to back
Captain
to
of
right
the
back.
team, dog.
So were you all wearing the rainbow colored armbands too?
Obviously. I requested for it specially.
I mean, love is love, support is support.
Gay is gay. What do you order, Sattu? Who banned for what? Choose you order.
Sattu, brother.
I fell for it, bro.
You're running the marathon?
They gave me a nice Black Friday discount. I was
He's
like,
all-
fuck.
Come on.
No, but for what reason?
He's
$20
ordering.
or something.
He's ordering turf for his room and who banned?
What are you going to track indoors?
Sleep.
How many hours you played Siege on your
You don't
fucking
understand
hoop?
the long-term vision, bro.
I
This
do
is
not
the-
at all.
I'm going to release... You saw that Nico Avocado?
No.
When he lost all the weight.
Didn't
This
lose.
is the
He never
10-year
had
bulk, bro.
Bro, it was great. That shit he's done is nuts.
I didn't
bro.
really understand. He was fat and then he was thin
So
and
he
then everyone was
pre-recorded
like,
a bunch of shit when he got fat. He knew it was a social experiment. He knew what the internet will watch and lose their shit over. And he lost the weight apparently like 4 or 5 years back. And he kept staggering the release of the
It's
videos.
crazy, and he just did like a social experiment to see how people react, if people will, and they pumped him with views and everything. Like, it was crazy, bro.
Oh, so he's basically saying the internet is evil.
The internet's fucked. He's just trying to show that the
Yeah.
internet's
And
fucked.
he also said it's just so easy to predict. Like y'all are basically just mindless. Like
Why
I know
aren't we
what
getting
works.
views then?
Sattu get fatter, we'll get
No, bro. Now the fat has done, bro. Now the 10-year bulk is reaching an end.
Okay.
It started in 2020, in 2015.
Liverpool. Good save, Ortega.
89th minute. I mean, inspired change by Pep. What a genius.
Favorite Peter Drury moment, bro.
Messi.
Wonderful. Or which one?
The World Cup one.
Or the World Cup one?
The greatest of all time.
Nice.
Do
That one
it,
is
do it,
nice.
Gio.
What was it? What was this? He was beautiful.
He was a different.
He was the point of difference. He has always been the point of difference.
We should get Peter Dury on comms
Yeah.
for a cricket game, bro.
He really loves watching.
He loves Kohli, yeah.
He did that. What was that crossover thing? Who was he sitting with?
With Bogle.
Hmm.
Harsha.
That was a good
Harsha.
video. Fun.
And even,
What your moment? It's Messi's moment.
Yeah, but it's our moment,
even of
actually.
course today,
As a pod.
Yeah.
there will always be those who argue. Always be those who debate. And the debate can rage on if you like. Whereas he falls in love with the object in the world his heart most desired. It is hard to escape the supposition that he has rendered himself today the greatest of all time.
Too good.
Every morning,
Chills.
every morning on my pot. Goosebumps.
Do you all remember in Scottish in school we had those English elocution competitions? If you ever have a kid and you send him to a school with English elocution,
I
are you
won't
going to
have
make
them.
him
No.
recite the
No.
Peter
No,
Dury?
that would be sick.
That'd be epic.
That would be too
That'd
good.
be epic.
He just opens, everyone goes the full poem and all. He goes, Shabalala.
Yeah, imagine him screaming Bafana, Bafana.
I'll be the
No, and then we all go with you to watch it and then we all start dancing.
Will the podcast still be on?
Bro, Sattu man, get this negativity out of your...
He said,
It's a genuine question.
he said they'll be there, na? So I'm assuming.
Golas.
Otherwise, why they'll be there?
Bro, it has hit Kyle Walker's head. How is he still standing, man?
I don't think it his head.
What do
It's
you-
back, I think.
What do you all think about Ray Hudson? the American guy who keeps commentating
Who loves
on
Messi? Yeah.
I don't like him.
First he was good, bro,
Off,
but
off,
then he's
off,
annoying also.
though.
Oh, what a save, but that's off anyway.
That
Yeah.
balancing a
Darwin.
balloon on
There's
a
some
needle
of
in a
that
wind
shit that
tunnel.
is sick, bro, that he said.
But I feel like when a commentator is that biased towards one player, it gets a bit.
I mean, bro, you
I just
die
don't.
test, but you just know he's the greatest of all time, bro.
Yeah.
It's just not even a doubt.
But I feel like Ronaldo is Rudy's personal favorite.
No, his
No,
personal favorite
absolutely
moment
not.
was the Ronaldo back to United.
No, his personal favorite movie was the Shabalala one.
No, he said it was a Ronaldo. The Madeira, this, that.
Madeira
Did
Madrid.
he also
Madrid,
say
Madrid, no,
the
Manchester.
Yeah.
Roma Barcelona one? Oh, I think he said that's the most
Yeah.
off the cuff.
Manolas.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was too good.
That was that fucking header, and then he just
Greek
went
God.
off.
Yeah.
That and the PSG Barca were back-to-back years, right? Yeah, those insane.
Yeah, after
knockout
Barca made that
games.
Yeah.
comeback, they've gotten fucked every year after.
Yeah,
Liverpool,
then
then
Liverpool
no,
also.
Roma, then Liverpool.
Yeah.
And
then
Bayern
Messi.
after that?
I
Those
think it
were
was
dark years
Juve
for
one
Messi,
year.
no?
Yeah.
Those are dark years for Messi.
What's your
He'd
favorite
be
period of the
crying and all
moment?
that.
I think it has to be
Arey.
the Shabalala.
Bro, City have looked ass, man.
Your favorite Messi, Peter Rory moment.
My favorite, Shabalala.
Yeah, I feel like the Ronaldo Messi one is scripted.
I've said Shabalala or the Roma one, man.
Yeah.
Because
Corner taken quickly wasn't him, right?
No. That's just corner again quickly trend. That's all they say.
Yeah. No, but that I think there was something. after that.
Origi.
it's the 93rd minute. Liverpool are still diving in for tackles, bro. They're looking too scary. I'm not liking this. I have no
City.
problem with Liverpool actually win. Just this one Liverpool fan who I don't want to name him.
Name the names, please.
Jeshad?
No. This other Liverpool fan, bro, he just sends me Liverpool content
Sena.
non-stop. Arjun Ags.
Yeah, actually.
It's so
bro.
fucking annoying, bro. And I like Liverpool as a team. I usually like their fans too. I just don't like him.
Arjun. Oh my
The
god.
two
They have
kiss. They have to kiss.
the bald heads are touching.
They look so shiny, bro.
I was just gonna say it's like a third spotlight.
Yeah, I just want to give one tuck plea, bro.
Bro, he hasn't won in 7 games. Can you imagine? Fire him.
That is crazy.
This was the sixth.
Bring
no?
bring Van Nistelrooy. Fire him.
This is the sixth game, not the seventh.
I also just want to clarify. We got-
7, lost 6, I think, and drew 1.
Wasn't it loss 4-1 draw? Last one was a draw, no Champions League.
Yeah. And
So
then they
this
lost.
is the sixth.
Whatever. They've lost
whatever.
6.
They've
not won in 6.
1 point in 6.
Do you think this is a permanent? Like, I mean, they'll obviously come back to a certain extent, but do you think that domination is officially over?
No. The next season they're just gonna sign. They're
They're
gonna
gonna
overhaul
spend.
the squad, and it's gonna be fine.
But what do you? It's a Pep issue, squad issue.
Rodri issue.
It's Rodri issue.
So
and
what happens then once? I mean, at
also,
some point Rodri goes.
They
right?
won.
They'll get some other fellow, bro. Like Yaya went, then Fernandinho came, then he went, then Rodri. Then they always have someone, man.
Bro, you have so much money, so many resources. You can fix the squad overnight. It's not like a cultural issue that is deep rooted within the club. It is.
I mean, right now, maybe.
I don't really think so.
On-
Is Pep
115.
done after this year? This
No, he's
season?
signed a
Just
2-year
signed
contract.
a 2-year
What?
contract.
Oh.
1 year.
2 year.
I thought 2 year.
2 year, 2 year.
But has there been any, like in the most competitive leagues in the world? I'm not counting Bayern in this, but 5 in a row. I don't think basketball. No one.
Basketball, no.
Five in a row. Madrid has done a
Basketball has
Champions
been
League.
max 3-peat, not 5
Was
in
it?
a row.
It wasn't 5.
Like
No,
way
no.
back.
No, that bro.
No.
Dictator era doesn't.
European Cup you're talking about?
European.
Yeah,
Cup.
fuck that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, no.
Possible. But Champions
Barcelona?
League, no chance. La Liga and all, I
11
think.
No, what was it?
possible.
10, 11, 12.
Yeah.
I think
13,
PSG have done it also.
14. But they didn't win the La
Madrid-
Liga every year.
But
Madrid-
Juventus
Yeah.
have done it.
Yeah, Juventus won 7 or something.
And then,
and then
they got
Ronaldo joined and then they
relegated.
lost.
No,
Madrid
but
have-
this wasn't that 7. No? This was when they got relegated to Serie B.
But also they had won a bunch and then Ronaldo joined the
Yeah,
club. They didn't win
they
that
didn't.
year.
Madrid
The
have won
Serie A.
He was top scorer of
the
the league,
European
though.
competition 5 times in a row from 1956 to 19.
Yeah,
Yeah,
fuck
so-
that. Dictator era competition doesn't count.
Fair
See who they were playing bench of firstly.
Yeah, we can see that.
Arsenal won 5 in a row Champions League.
No, we won 5 games in a row.
Damn, bro. I'm really happy seeing this.
So the first European competition was in 1955, which Madrid beat REIMS, so Reims.
They're still
Some French team,
top
yeah.
division in France.
Then they beat Fiorentina, then they beat Milan, then they beat Reims again, and then they beat Frankfurt. All really top class teams in today's day.
Back
and
in the
age.
day, but
Yeah, back in the day, who knows?
Pep. He's saying goodbye.
Scratch yourself once more.
Please, bro, Sammy.
Sorry.
Done?
What is he going to go and do, bro? Scratch everyone else on the face?
Alright, guys. That's about it for this episode. Like and subscribe, share, follow. You know what to do.
Bye-bye.